welcome to Let's Cook a Lit. Today we want to show you how to make sauteed mushroom. Sauteed mushroom, it's a great appetizer. It's a good side dish. It can be served on a steak, on a fish, everything you want. So let's show you how to start with it. So first thing is, we're gonna remove the stem from the mushroom. It's just the bottom. You can see it here. Just about like maybe 4 mil, and cut it out. Voila. Here you go. Now for the mushroom, you can use a kitchen towel to clean them, or you can use a brush like this one here. And I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So you just brush it a little bit. Voila. Very nice and clean. Let's put this on the side now. Now we're gonna coat it with the olive oil. So we're gonna just put a little bit olive oil here and mix it up very well. So you coat it with olive oil. So when you put it in a frying pan, no matter how it lands, it starts sauteing right away. Your frying pan on the medium high, garlic butter. And you can watch one of my episodes how to make garlic butter. It's very easy, and saute mushroom with garlic butter tastes amazing. Putting the mushroom in. Nice. So as I said, on a medium high. Beautiful. Nice, look at this. Now we're gonna add black pepper to it. And salt as well. Now in the meantime, the mushroom is cooking. You can add onion, you can add whatever you want. Me, I'm adding tricolor bell pepper. So I'm gonna just slice them. Now when the mushroom halfway done, nice, look at this. You can see the color, it starts getting sauteed. And then we're gonna add the pepper. Whoopa, this one's still alive here. Come here. Beautiful. It's getting there. Now I have a little fresh parsley. Just give it a little quick chop. The mushroom is ready here. Just a little bit fresh parsley. And you always finish it before you mix it with the fresh lemon. Fresh lemon juice. Give it a little mix. Voila. Ready to go on the plate. Put the plate here. Nice. Look at this. Voila. Little green in the middle. It is amazing. It is amazing. Try it at home and you're gonna love it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.